إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين إنك صراط مستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. Amen.
Ọ̀kadìdá of Esaland, the Ogiro of Irua Kingdom, Alaji W.O. Mamodu, the second JP, Adams Oshomore. Although they call him Oshomole now, we now see that he's Oshomore. We brought him here to introduce to you. But I want to apologize to you, Your Royal Highness. We did not know things would be like this. But today, we have seen that we miscalculated. And I know that even if you don't say it here now, you are going to invite me to the inner palace and you are going to pass a fine on me for bringing a person to you that I did not trust. But I will say this one, I'm taking a vow that I trust my candidates here who are here today. I know my Highness also will be very disappointed that the man who was in APC yesterday is now talking for PDP today. I want to say, Your Highness, that in Esa we say, Waragodogbo. Ṣé máa ń kìdí àgẹ́ o? Ẹ bá wá òtòló náà lè ṣèṣì jẹ́. Ọ̀rá kékeré ni a o. So, right now, as a graduate, not just a graduate, as a lawyer, I met with my people in this constituency. We examined all Oshomole has done in the past 6 years. It did not favor this constituency, and we decided to make a U-turn. So, that is why today, I'm here today representing the good people of Irua, representing the good people of Esa Central, and to present to His Royal Highness Chief Dan Obi, who is now my chairman of the party PDP, who eventually, in few words, we speak with His Royal Highness, and we eventually introduce our candidates to His Royal Highness.